In this lesson, we'll learn about using key tips and keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts when working with PowerPoint or any other application will allow you to be more efficient and get more done in less time. On the screen, we have a list of some common keyboard shortcuts that you can use throughout all of the Microsoft applications. If you hold your Control key down and press A, that will select all. If my cursor is here and I do Control A, that has just selected all of the text within this text box. If I do Control and C, it'll copy information. Control and V will paste information. Control Z is a quick undo feature so that you don't have to move your cursor up here and click undo. Control S will save the file in the current default location. And F12 is a shortcut to save as. So we have lots of different ways to perform keyboard shortcuts that will allow you to be more efficient and get more done while you're working in PowerPoint. Another great way to use keyboard shortcuts is by using KeyTips. And KeyTips is an easy way to navigate the ribbon using just the keyboard. So you can use your mouse and you can click on any of the ribbon tabs or any of the buttons within the ribbon tabs. But if you press your Alt key on your keyboard, this brings up your key tips. And what this does is it allows you to navigate the ribbon just using the keyboard. So right now, the Home tab is selected as a default. And when I press the Alt button on my keyboard, you'll notice all these little black letters that appeared next to each of the ribbon tabs, and also even up here in our quick access toolbar we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have an F under File, H under Home, and so on. So if I wanted to open up something in my Insert tab, at this point all I have to do is press the letter N for the Insert tab, and the ribbon will automatically select the Insert tab for us. And now we have key tips that appear for each of the options within that Insert tab. So if I wanted to insert a comment, for example, we notice that L is the key tip to insert a comment. So now I'm just going to press the L key on my keyboard, and now we have our comments window and we can add a comment right here. And we did that in 3 keystrokes without having to use our mouse. So as a quick review, I'm going to go ahead and close this. We were at our Home tab, and all we did was we pressed Alt, N, and then L, and we got to our comments very quickly. That concludes our lesson on using key tips and keyboard shortcuts.